Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn off the auto dubbing on YouTube quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the YouTube app or website and play any video that is currently dubbed in another language. Step 2. Click the settings icon on the video player. Depending on the platform, you might see audio track or audio options. Step 3. Select the original audio language to turn off the auto dubbing. This immediately switches the video back to its default voice. Step 4. On mobile, tap the three-dot menu and then go to audio track and choose the default version if available. Step 5. If you want to stop auto-dubbing permanently, go to your account and then settings, playback, and performance, and disable the auto-translate or auto-audio override features. Step 6. You can also update this for smart TVs or consoles through the audio settings of the YouTube app. And that's how you turn off the auto dubbing on YouTube. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.